Omax Corporation stays ahead of the competition by leveraging all of the design tools at their disposal. SOLIDWORKS 2020 offers new ways for companies to take advantage of a connected ecosystem of products. The 3D Experience Platform Connector for SOLIDWORKS Desktop enables you to leverage your existing on-premise design data to work how and when you want. Easy to use, simply upload your SOLIDWORKS files to the 3D Experience platform where you can then utilize them within the variety of apps available, such as the web-enabled 3D design tools like Xshape and Xdesign. The Xshape app on the 3D Experience platform is available from anywhere through your web browser. Xshape empowers you to design in completely new ways. Utilizing subdivision modeling techniques, design becomes as much art as engineering. Push, pull, and make those subtle design changes with easy-to-use tools to create any shape you can imagine. As your design needs change, you can toggle between different design apps while staying within the same environment and providing new tools to take advantage of through apps like Xdesign. Xdesign provides familiar 3D design tools you're accustomed to, but available from your web browser virtually anywhere with an internet connection. With the 3D Experience Platform Connector, you can also search for and insert the designs you create on the platform into your existing SOLIDWORKS environment, giving you the flexibility to use whichever tool best suits your needs. SOLIDWORKS Manage 2020 offers new insights into your organization's projects by providing customizable dashboards and a new web interface to access your project data from a web browser, eliminating the need for local installations. Electrical engineers using SOLIDWORKS PCB are now more connected with the rest of your design team through SOLIDWORKS PDM. Fully integrated with one another, you can manage your printed circuit board designs in an easy-to-use, familiar way while providing access to the rest of your organization. Delivering rich technical documentation is often critical to the final delivery of your products. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2020 offers new ways to leverage your SOLIDWORKS design data like existing exploded views to quickly produce these deliverables. To learn more about how to connect your design ecosystem with the SOLIDWORKS 2020 portfolio, explore the other videos on this website and be sure to attend a local SOLIDWORKS reseller launch event.